Welcome to the second episode, Hainan Tour with a Maple Leaf student. I'm Tiffany, a senior student from Maple Leaf International Schools, Hainan.
I'm Evan, a junior student from Maple Leaf International Schools, Hainan. And today, we're at Rongshanliao Village, the last century-old fishing village on the Haikou east coast.
Yeah, I did some research before. Over 200 years ago, this was just a very soft land. Fishermen built temporary hedge huts to store gear and rest, and slowly a village grew. Today, let's dive into its history and soak up its unique vibes.
Look at those old houses built with the volcanic stones of there. It's like stepping into a time machine. Every stone whispers stories of the village's ups and downs.
Totally, Rongshanliao's culture is something we got to protect. 伯伯，我想问您，就是咱们一般都什么时候去进行这个捕鱼啊？
捕鱼这个出海捕鱼的时间是不固定的，你要看到涨潮退潮。就是这个季节，就是抓这种小虾米，有的时候有多的时候，当然。
I hear the fishermen here have a super unique tradition. They work with kites 10 days after casting nets, hauling fish and drying gear. Also, they sell fish by actioning lines on the sand. How cool is that?
This fully demonstrates the wisdom and tradition of the local fishermen. It's not just about survival, it's how they keep their culture alive. Now, Rongshanliao is growing global, welcoming travelers from everywhere. The festival activities here are really distinctive. Every August 16, they throw this epic fishing festival. There's a ceremonies, seafood feast.
In addition, I hear there's also Let's Fishing Boats Return Home Image Exhibition, the Haikou 100 Fishes Science Exhibition.
Hello.
That's great! This sense of human connection coupled with such lovely festival activities really make me a deep impression. I'd love to come back every year. And that's a wrap for our Rongshanliao's adventure.
Stay tuned for our next Hainan hotspot. See you soon!